is a beautiful day out here in Cody, Wyoming. A little bit of clouds, rained a little this morning, so clean the air up, a little humidity in the air, but not bad. It's just a gorgeous day. I feel like I need some coffee and some steak. Coffee and a ribeye. Alright, we're here on a new job. Well, not a new job. We started this one a few days ago, but a little shower with some subway tile. Gonna put a little deco band. Whoop, whoop.
Oh, that's one with yours.
Blood on the tile.
I did?
That's gross.
Sorry. What is each one?
Never takes. Check out this miter piece. Flip it over. That's what the back looks like. Where's the camera? There it is. Again. There's camera. Got one, two more. Wait, this is this one.
670. 6709 689. My Aunt Tara told me she loved our tile work.
Did she now? 3 1/4.
Your lips would have, my lips would have looked good on your face.
You're right. They look kind of messed up.
That's kind of rude, you jerk.
Just saying.
Basically saying my lips are.
I don't know who that is.
No, I will not deny or approve my affiliation with Hamas.
We don't kill ants. Their lives are precious. That's why. You didn't tell me.
Ant lives matter.
I think I told him that's murder.
Nice to see you here in normal hours.
Enjoy it. Here today, gone tomorrow.
Don't you believe? Finish. Oh, you even got a little camera set up and everything, huh?
Oh yeah, you're gonna be famous now.
Oh, you didn't even mention me in your other post.
You're on Kansas camera now.
Which post?
Oh, my Cooper house.
Yeah, but you
I didn't get any design credit out of that or nothing.
know what? Do you even have social media?
Yeah.
Well, I'll find it and I'll tag you from now on. Come here, come closer. Check out this subway tile. These are, I don't know, what is that, a 4x16? 4x16? If you look down it, you can see the bow. But a way to figure out if there's a bow is lay them back to back, and then see that bow on both sides. And now let's see if you can look down it. Does that bow show up? I showed that to the camera so you guys could see the coverage that the tile had.
Ain't no sponge here.
Oh no. Oh no.
What's going on, bro?
Alright, that's how we put the bench together. Masking tape is a tile guy's best friend. Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. Again! That's some good dancing.
I saw your figure doing something. I'm not exactly sure what it was. I need you to tell me. Tell me why.
Tell me why I have to be a slasher. Tell me why.
I think what you mean to say is the hash-slinging slasher.
Yeah! That's the next Mortal Kombat character.
Hash-slinging slasher?
All you hear is a chainsaw on the character reveal. They can only be one person.
Hash. We're gonna go to, I think.
Like Wizard.
I am driving to my office to go do some paperwork. Oh, this road's rough. Which is the least favorite part of my job. And that's a mindset problem that I need to work on because it's most definitely the most important part. So we got like 3 estimates to do, we got some materials to order. And yeah, that part of you that wants to just stay on the job site doing the technical work, sometimes you gotta tell him just to be quiet because you gotta go get the paperwork done, the managerial stuff. And then sometimes the technical work and the managerial stuff has got, both of those things gotta be put aside because you got to do the entrepreneurial things. So there's a balance in business between those 3 things. The technical, the managerial, and the entrepreneurial. At least as far as, you know, my understanding goes. And I don't want to make any YouTube videos where I just turn into the guy that's giving everyone advice because I think those videos are stupid. That's just my take on it. I know a lot of people watch those videos, but I think you get to a certain point where they just have no more appeal to you. And you realize, like, you gotta find your own way and figure stuff out as best as you can. And no YouTube video some 18-year-old makes is gonna, you know, be the secret ingredient or secret potion for you. Anyways, my rant is over. I hope this footage looks okay. I got my tripod set up in my truck with a wide angle lens. And I hope the audio is okay on it too. Sent Cameron up to Grout on a job up the North Fork. And that's a road that goes to Yellowstone. So he's going up there it's about 25-30 minutes, the job he's going to, but had to do some grouting on it. The plumbers have some work to do. Alright guys, peace out.